Hi, boys and girls. Guess what time it is? It's Miss Farrah's movement and fun time. Today, we're going to meet some new friends and we're going to see some friends that we already know from school. How cool is that? Since we're back in school, I have to be honest. I was a little nervous to start back. Were you? It's okay to be nervous. What does that even mean? Well, for me, I get nervous. A lot of times, my hands start to shake. My heart starts to beat really fast. Boom, 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 boom. My belly, it gets all tied in knots. Or sometimes it feels like I have tons of butterflies flying around in my belly and their wings flapping really, really fast. Sometimes when I get nervous, ooh, I get really hot and I start to sweat. However you feel, it's okay to get nervous. But we need to learn some calm down tools to help us feel better. That reminds me of a friend. Would you like to meet her? Yeah? Okay. Now we have to be really quiet because she gets really nervous. Her name is Nervous Nelly, and she's an ostrich. She's a big bird with a lot of feathers. But the problem with Nervous Nelly, she's so nervous and afraid of everything that she misses out on having fun. Oh, it's not good. Hopefully, learning these calm down tools will help her feel better so she can have fun with her friends. All right, you ready to meet her? Yeah? Okay. Nervous Nelly, where are you? Oh, there she is. She's got a hole in the ground, and that's where she hides her head so she doesn't have to see anything. She feels safe there. But she misses out on so much because her head is always in the ground. Hmm. I think she needs to learn a better way to cope. Hmm. Let's go see my friend Al. His name is Ollie. Yeah, Ollie the Owl. He's so wise. He knows everything. He'll know how to handle this. Hi, Ollie. Ollie, my friend, Nervous Nelly, she keeps hiding her head in the ground because she's so nervous. Do you have any ideas? Oh, I see your thought bubble. Look, Ollie thinks Nervous Nelly needs a toolbox. Hmm, good idea. We were just talking about learning some calm down tools. The calm down tools can go in the toolbox. I love that idea. Hmm. Aha! I know who could teach nervous Nelly some calm down tools. Hi, Nelly. I love being able to see your face. You look good. Nervous Nelly, are you going to see Tyson Turtle? That's a really good idea. This is Tyson the Turtle. He likes to just float around in his little pond all day long. And turtles, as you remember, they move kind of slow. So, of course, he's got to be nice and calm. Yeah. So, who better to learn how to be calm than learning from a turtle? Do you want to know some of my calm down tools? Here's my toolbox. Oh, here is my first calm down tool. It's called a fidget. A fidget is basically any kind of toy or tool that keeps your hands busy. You can fidget with. Whoa! Look at this. It's like a big spring. Woo! Well, that could be another fidget because it's keeping my hands busy. Oh, and it's so fun to watch. But I like using it to help me breathe. I breathe in, I pull this spring out really wide, and then when I breathe out through my mouth, I push the spring together. Let's try that one more time. Oh, I feel better already. All right, here we go. Oh, bubbles. I love to calm down with blowing bubbles. If you blow them up in the air real high, then you can pop them on the way back down. It's so good to have a toolbox that I can go to anytime I need a calm down tool. Look what else is in that toolbox. There's a feather and there's a pinwheel and a yoga mat. These are all great tools that can help us calm down. And guess what? I have some friends from school that's going to teach us some more calm down tools. Are you ready to learn? All right. Here we go. Enjoy.
I like to do yoga to calm my body.
When my body feels like it's running fast like a rabbit, I like to put some calming music on, and it helps me slow down.
I'm helping my friend calm down by rolling the ball back and forth. It helps her relax.
When I feel fast, I like to calm my body down by counting slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hi guys, I'm Miss Sophie, and when I'm in one of those days where I just feel fast and I just can't calm down, I like to do some breathing stuff to calm myself. One of the things I like to do is a pinwheel. Feeling calmer already. And another fun thing is a feather. Just blow the feather. And it just calms you right down.